Chunk it.
It cracked.
I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Shoot that. Hey, why not?
Alright guys, welcome back to another vidya.
Vidya.
And so one thing I just noticed on the key fob is that I let him borrow the key fob and it came back with coffee stains. Okay,
No,
maybe
I don't even drink coffee.
maybe it originally had, maybe it could have been from me, but I like to blame him. I don't know. It's got coffee stains, and the unlock button is kind of stuck, so you really have to press on it. And I mean, honestly,
I think it's just worn out.
Worn out.
I think it's worn out.
It's stuck. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know why I flipped it. You obviously couldn't see it if I flipped it, but can you see how it's stuck? So, Boost Auto Parts, you guys are the best.
They're always coming in.
Because they sent me this key fob, and you're wondering what the heck is this? It's a 2014 key fob.
2014.
Yeah, those are key fobs for like 2014 and up.
Oh,
But
fancy.
it's retrofitted to work with your classic body. Actually, from like 2001 all the way to 2000, I guess 13 or 14 or whatever. So yeah, this will work with the Tahoe. We'll show you guys how to program it. Do you know how to do it?
No idea.
I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. Oh, there we go. So we are in the vehicle. You want to put the key in the ignition. Hold down the unlock button, and we're gonna cycle this. So that means we are in the programming mode. Now take your new key fob, hold the lock and unlock at the same time for about 15 seconds. So Merc's gonna sing for the remaining 10 seconds.
I don't have a singing voice. I'm horrible at this.
All right, guys. Oh,
There we go.
and check it out.
So,
Check it out. Ready? It didn't do it. Oh, there you go. All right, so
we just had to recycle one time.
so you had to go out of the programming mode. So you cycle it one more time. So once you program it, so after 15 seconds, once you program it, you want to cycle the key, I guess, one more time to get it out of the programming mode, so the vehicle knows that you're not actively programming. So now, unlock, lock.
We got a new key fob.
I know, isn't this so cool? You can get a brand new style key fob for your 05. I think, honest, and this is only 40 bucks.
Damn, really?
Yeah.
That's nice right there.
Yeah.
I
So
would have thought 40 bucks. Give you
Exactly.
a nice key fob like that.
only thing I do want to let you guys know is this will work no problem from 2001 to like 2006 or no 2010.
I'm gonna try.
If you have a
does this
vehicle,
one do?
if you have a vehicle, so that works. If you have a vehicle 2011 and up, you do have to take it to either a locksmith or your dealership to have them program it for you. That's what I had to do with my 2011 GMC Sierra. Now, I've had people ask me if, oh, sorry, I'm gonna get your face in it too. I've had people ask me if you have an auto start on this, like remote start, will it still work? Yes, if you have your original keys to set to where if you triple click your lock and to auto start it, it will work with the new key fob. Ernie at Dealer Options has Viper on his 07 Duramac, gave him the new Boost Auto Parts key fob, and his auto start still worked.
Old and ugly. New and fancy.
That's
I
right.
like that.
Yeah.
I like that. Now we got to get one for the Abbey.
Yep, Avalanche. We're going to get one for the Avalanche, and we're going to get one for the LOI Duramax because I just love having that new key fob. Dude, we can throw this away. Ready?
Chunk it.
It cracked.
Gone.
Gone. Just like that.
No, we could have put that on the other set of keys.
We're good.
Oh well.
We're good. We're good. We got 2 sets of remote, and that one had coffee stains from you anyway. All right, so let's go for.
from you.
Yeah, because
I don't drink coffee.
You're right. I drink coffee. All right, so we're gonna go get some Polar Pop because I mean, obviously,
I gotta have my Polar Pop
Yep.
fixed. I gotta have it.
and I might get a Monster, and we're gonna show you guys the window tint.
window tint. Y'all want a cold start while he's gone doing his thing? Let's get you a cold start. What old project Tahoe? No muffler? No problem. Got these two in reflective. This was just white. We're gonna have these on the website here shortly. Well, a lot of you guys out there running no mufflers. We're gonna get the polar pop.
Yeah. Are you showing them the tint already?
No, I was showing them the no muffler, no problem.
Okay.
Because you know, we have no muffler and no problems.
I don't know. You've been complaining about not having a muffler.
I have. Just a little bit. Just a wee bit.
I'm getting old. Switching things up. Gonna try the 6.7 Lime Monster. This is a Ryan Mayer Monster, actually.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. Ryan,
Got
if
my
you were a
polar pop.
snack, you'd be a monster. No muffler, no problem.
Somebody get it right.
Right.
Okay.
Wait, what about him? So when we bought this Tahoe, there were a couple of issues that we were having. One is the service brake light system. I think it has to do with the ABS, and we have to replace a little sensor, right?
Right.
And that's about $200-300. Another thing was we were having some issues with the back window. It wasn't rolling down at all. Well, while I was at work, Merc replaced the panel, replaced the
Window motor.
replaced the window motor, and now it works. It squeaks, but it works.
Yeah, it only squeaks because it's a little bit dirty.
Yeah.
It'll be good.
But it works.
We also, you guys know, transmission was down. So we also have that fixed.
Oh yeah, fully
And
rebuilt.
this is really peppy now that it's got a new transmission, don't you think?
I don't know. We'd have to find out.
You want to find out now?
Let's find out.
Should we?
Oop, oop. Dang, that shifts so good.
It was so smooth.
I didn't even feel it shifting at all. I was trying to count.
Yeah, we only got in the second. First is drawn out a lot longer now.
Yeah.
And the shift between first to second and from second to third is a lot smoother. Not exactly sure what my stepfather did to this thing, but the transmission is great. It works awesome. So big shout out to
Our step.
well, my stepfather. He did a good job on the transmission. She does transmissions. So-
He does a lot of trainings.
Well, I'm talking about my mom.
Not except her. But yeah, huge shout out. When I saw him, I was like, do you happen to rebuild Allison transmissions? Just in case. And he said he's never done it, so it might be a challenge for him. I don't know. He might
I'm
be
sure
up
he'd
for
give it a shot.
Yeah?
I'm sure he would. Well, I'm excited, man.
Dude, me too.
This thing's coming along.
Yep.
I know we're actually getting places with it now.
Yes, sir. By the way, if you're still watching this video, put this emoji. It'll be right
I
on his
want this
face.
emoji.
I want
This-
no, I want
this-
this. All right,
this emoji.
This emoji or this emoji?
One of these emojis.
I'm gonna win.
I know. Your fans don't like me, man.
I'm gonna put the stupidest emoji for you.
Put a shit emoji.
Put the eggplant. Actually, people might like the eggplant. Alrighty, you guys, got the Polar Pop, got a Monster, and we are at this location, remote location. Oh, hey, that's nice Keyfob there.
Love this new
Yeah.
Keyfob, man.
Pretty
Boost
awesome.
Auto Parts got some legit stuff.
Boost Auto Parts. I will put the link in the description below for you guys to get it. Now, let's do a walk around of actually what we've done so far and what we're gonna do next. We have a month, less than a month to finish this for the show.
Yep.
So we got a lot to talk about.
And a lot to happen.
Yes. So we have the headlights at home that's been baked open.
In 2 hours.
2 hours, we're making progress. It's spider headlights. We have it open, so all we have to do is spray paint the inside or color match the inside, make it look white, give you that clean look on this Tahoe. We do have to get a new front bumper because this one was hit, aka it hit something. I think she said she ran into a, I don't know, like a pole or something at Walmart, something like that. So
Crazy.
we can't give it to your brother with a bumper like that. So
No.
gotta get that fixed.
I want to. Felt good. Felt good. So the next thing we've got coming, we've got wheels and tires that we're going to be putting on here. A 3-inch.
We got a 3-inch keys coming from Supreme Suspension.
Supreme.
Yeah, they're hooking us
Supreme.
up with the lift keys and coming with a little booster puck in the rear.
It'll be the booster pucks in the rear for these Tahoes and the keys and 3-inch keys in the front. We're going to get the running boards down here powder coated. They're actually off for sandblasting right now. We've got new taillights to put in, which if you guys went live with us, you'll know that I broke one of them.
Did this. I can't believe you've done this.
So we've got to get 2 more. And we'll probably do those black. I'm actually starting to like the black.
Yeah. This is the route I'm going to go with my LOI. I'm going to do chrome in the front and then black taillights in the back. And I think that's going to look all right.
It'll look really clean.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to go with this. We're going to do black taillights in the rear. Maybe eventually in the future we might do color matched taillights, but as of right now, due to the time crunch, maybe in the future we're going to do taillights. But check out some of the decals we have. You can buy these at neversatisfiedbuilds.com.
No muffler, no problem. You can't buy this one. We don't have this one. This is strictly for Project Tahoe. And if you guys have any sweet rides and you want to send them in, go to blah.
Oh, now you can't say it.
Go to Never Satisfied Builds on Instagram. Check it out. So we've got the muffler deleted on here. Right now, we have a muffler coming. Now, let's show them what they...
We might have a full exhaust coming.
Exactly. So let's show them what we're actually doing on this video. Now that we've given them the full walk around, pretty much. I mean, we're doing interior sound with dealer options. They're going to do a couple more upgrades for us on the interior of this Tahoe. I think they're wanting to do the seats because these are typical 05 seats. But the reason you guys really clicked on this video to watch it is that right there. That beautiful window tint. So on this Tahoe, we have 20 all the way around. So it's 20 over factory in the rear, and then 20 over just clear in the front. We have the back is tinted. So this is, you can kind of get it's pretty dark in here. All our tinting was done by Trapp Window tinting down here in Augusta. And so what they did special for us, so let me show you this. So we did the 75%. We did the 75% on the front, on the screen. But, can you see it? Trapp Window tinting. We had that etched out on our 5% strip on the front, or cut out. And it looks freaking cool. It looks killer. Now they're not done because they're not satisfied with just having it etched out. I thought it was killer, but they're not satisfied. So Trapp has informed me he wants me to bring the Tahoe back to him because they want to do a chrome backlay all the way across that you'll never see except for where it's cut out where it says Trapp Window tinting, which will be really cool. Really cool. So those are super cool guys. They really do a good job. I mean, top shelf job. You couldn't ask for a better tint job. What do you think? Do you think they did a good job?
Yeah, and the funny thing is we actually got this tinted, what, 3-4 weeks ago?
Yeah, we got this tinted right before the transmission went out.
Yeah, that's why we haven't been able to make that video, because I mean the truck was in the garage and we didn't want to make a video of the window tint while it was in my garage. So
but as you can see, guys, it is dark.
It's not that dark. It's 100%,
it's dark on
it's
here.
100% legally dark.
100% legally dark.
Yes.
And these guys, I mean, like I said, no real jam up job. No spots, no nothing. I mean, yeah, you see water spots on the outside where it's been raining, but they did top-notch work. So if you guys need any kind of work done for your window tinting and you're in the Augusta area, Trapp Window tinting is definitely a place to go. You think so?
I think so.
I think so.
I wouldn't take it really anywhere else in Augusta. At least in Augusta. Just
and
because I built a relationship.
Their prices are ridiculously reasonable.
I think they're at least 10-15% cheaper than anyone else. The quality of work's not cheaper.
Oh, one of our other mods. Our other little mod. Look at that little stumpy. It looks so much better than that big long antenna. Yeah, just doing something simple and clean. Still pick up all the radio stations.
Yep,
Looks really good.
But also, one of the last things I want to talk about is I want to give a huge shout out to Anthem Wheels for being part of this build, because they are going to hook us up with a set of 20x12 Anthem wheels. I'm not going to tell you what model it is yet, because we're going to have to wait until the wheels come. Also, another huge shout out to Boost Auto Parts and Supreme Suspension for being part of this Tahoe build so far. We have other companies that want to be part of this build, and as long as we get more companies coming in, we'll give them more shout outs too. But it's awesome having these companies that have faith in you and your build, and they want to be part of it. Can you do the honors of turning on the headlights real quick?
Oh, that's not gonna work. Come on, baby.
There you go. So another huge shout out is LaceFit sending us all LEDs for this Tahoe. Just look at this. It's 2019. We can't be driving around with yellow bulbs. So we're gonna do a full LED conversion on the headlights, parking lights, fog lights. We're even gonna put LEDs on the reverse lights. Reverse lights gotta be LED. License plate lights gotta be LED. And we're gonna do everything LED because it's 2019 and LEDs
Riding
on
around with halogens.
Oh yeah, LEDs look so much better too.
Lame. LED swap.
Yep, so full LED swap on this. Oh man, I'm super excited. This month is gonna be crunch time for this Tahoe, and I'm super excited to just share this whole build with you guys.
SEMA crunch? No. NSB Toys for Tots meet crunch.
That's right. And if you haven't signed up already, make sure to go over to neversatisfiedbuilds.com. Go sign up. We only have 40 VIP spots, and we're only accepting 3 on the day of. And it'll be $45. Regular VIP is $40. It comes with a t-shirt, and we give you 20 tickets for the raffle. Also, lastly, check out our NSB.
Bam.
One of our new NSB shirts. It's only $20 for a limited time only. Never Satisfied Builds begins. New wheels, tires, fresh paint and powder, tons of light, big sound. Satisfied? Never. Because I mean, I don't think we were ever really satisfied with our builds.
Can't be.
So
if you are, you're not really an automotive enthusiast.
Nope. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna end the video here. Next video is gonna be the headlight. Next video we're gonna show you how to color match the headlights. Peace. Yeah.